Hey, what's up guys? TJ Bennett here and welcome to my channel. Today is November 7th and actually marks my 30th birthday. I've recently decided to start a YouTube channel to share important moments of my life, my hobbies, and my developer knowledge. And hopefully I'll be able to share progression on my health as well. My wife Sterling and I are looking at building a house and expanding our family, so you can hang out with us in our vlogs as we go through life together with our family and friends. I'm also an experienced developer and very passionate about developing for augmented reality with the Microsoft HoloLens and virtual reality using the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. Fun fact, I was actually the first developer to use virtual reality to propose to my wife in 2014. I'm a self-taught programmer that went through many frustrations when learning to code, but I'm here to help others go through their learning frustrations in a fun and creative way. Colleges in the US aren't producing enough programmers to meet the demand, and as time progresses, that demand grows more and more. So if you're interested in learning how to code, I'm here to help you get started. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.